Imagine a world where we can build anything we can imagine. Imagine creating complex objects with the click of a button. This is no longer science fiction. This is the promise of 3D printing and nanotechnology. These revolutionary technologies are transforming the way we manufacture goods and construct our world. They are ushering in a new era of unprecedented possibilities.
Part 1. Investing in the shape of things to come. The economic benefits of investing in 3D printing are significant. This technology is not just a fleeting trend. It represents a fundamental shift in how we approach manufacturing and production. By integrating 3D printing into their operations, companies can streamline processes, reduce waste, and lower costs. This technology has the potential to create new jobs, boost productivity, and drive innovation across various sectors. From healthcare to aerospace, the applications of 3D printing are vast and varied. It enables the creation of complex structures that were previously impossible or too costly to produce. By embracing 3D printing, businesses can gain a competitive edge, reduce their environmental footprint, and unlock new possibilities for growth and expansion. This technology allows for more sustainable business practices by minimizing material usage and energy consumption. Companies that adopt 3D printing can also offer more customized and innovative products to their customers. Governments that invest in 3D printing research and development will be at the forefront of this technological revolution. Such investments can lead to advancements in national industries, making them more competitive on a global scale. By supporting 3D printing initiatives, governments can foster a culture of innovation and ensure long-term economic growth and stability.
Part 2. Leaders in the 3D printing revolution. Numerous companies are leading the charge in the 3D printing revolution. Stratasys Limited is a pioneer in developing advanced 3D printing technologies for various industries, including aerospace, automotive, and healthcare. 3D Systems Corporation is another major player offering a wide range of 3D printers, materials, and software solutions. HP Inc. has also entered the 3D printing market, focusing on industrial-grade printers for high-volume production.
Part 3. Nanotechnology, the power of small. Nanotechnology is another game-changing field that involves manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level. This field is not just about making things smaller. It's about creating new possibilities and solutions that were previously unimaginable. This revolutionary technology deals with structures and materials that are 1 to 100 nanometers in size. To give you an idea, a nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter, which is incredibly tiny. To put this into perspective, a single human hair is about 80,000 nanometers wide. Imagine the precision and control required to manipulate something at such a minuscule scale. At this incredibly small scale, materials exhibit unique properties and behaviors that can be harnessed to create new and innovative products. These properties can include increased strength, lighter weight, and enhanced chemical reactivity, among others. The potential applications are vast, ranging from medicine and electronics to energy and environmental solutions. Nanotechnology is truly a frontier that holds the promise of transforming our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. Part 4. Nanotechnology, shaping the invisible world. Nanotechnology is revolutionizing the way we understand and interact with the world at the smallest scales. Current advancements in nanotechnology are already making a significant impact across various fields. From medicine to electronics, the potential applications are vast and transformative. Scientists and engineers are developing stronger, lighter, and more durable materials using nanotechnology. These materials are not only enhancing the performance of existing products, but also paving the way for entirely new innovations. Carbon nanotubes, for example, are incredibly strong and lightweight materials with a wide range of potential applications. They are being used in aerospace engineering to create more efficient and robust structures, and in electronics to develop faster and more powerful devices. In medicine, nanotechnology is being used to develop targeted drug delivery systems that can deliver medication directly to disease cells, minimizing side effects. Advanced imaging techniques are allowing for earlier and more accurate diagnoses. Additionally, new treatments for cancer and other diseases are being developed, offering hope for more effective and less invasive therapies.
Part 5. Nanotechnology, a future filled with potential. The future possibilities of nanotechnology are truly awe-inspiring. Imagine a world where we can create self-healing materials that can repair themselves, eliminating the need for repairs and replacements. Imagine nanobots traveling through our bloodstream, delivering targeted treatments to diseased cells and repairing damaged tissues. Nanotechnology has the potential to revolutionize fields such as energy, electronics, and environmental science, leading to a more sustainable and technologically advanced future.
Investing in nanotechnology is investing in the future. This rapidly evolving field has the potential to create new industries, generate high-paying jobs, and solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. By supporting nanotechnology research and development, governments and private investors can play a crucial role in shaping a brighter and more sustainable future for all.
Several companies are at the forefront of nanotechnology research and development. Thermo Fisher Scientific is a global leader in providing scientific instruments, reagents, and consumables for nanoscale research. IBM is a pioneer in nanotechnology, developing new materials, devices, and architectures for next-generation computing. And Intel Corporation is another major player, constantly pushing the boundaries of miniaturization and performance in their microprocessors using nanotechnology.
We are on the cusp of a new industrial revolution, driven by the transformative power of 3D printing and nanotechnology, says Dr. Ray Kurzweil, renowned futurist and author. These technologies will fundamentally change the way we design, manufacture, and interact with the world around us. Dr. Kurzweil's insights highlight the profound impact these technologies will have on our lives in the coming decades. From aerospace to healthcare, construction to electronics, 3D printing and nanotechnology are transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. These technologies are enabling the creation of lighter, stronger, and more sustainable products, while also driving down costs and increasing efficiency. As these technologies continue to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications and innovations in the years to come. 3D printing and nanotechnology are not just incremental advancements in technology, they represent a paradigm shift in the way we think about manufacturing and construction. These technologies are ushering in a new industrial revolution, one that promises to be more sustainable, efficient, and innovative than anything we have seen before. This is a revolution that will touch every aspect of our lives, from the clothes we wear to the homes we live in. The future is here, and it is being built with the help of 3D printing and nanotechnology. These revolutionary technologies are transforming our world in profound ways, and the possibilities are limitless. Stay informed, stay engaged, and join the revolution. Opening Hook witnessed the manufacturing revolution changing industries. In this episode, we explore the transformative impact of 3D printing and nanotechnology on manufacturing and construction. Introduction. Welcome back to our series on emerging technologies of the 21st century. Today, we're focusing on the groundbreaking advancements in manufacturing and construction. From 3D printing to nanotechnology, these innovations are revolutionizing production processes and changing the way we build and create. Segment 1, 3D printing definition. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is the process of creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file by layering materials. Current advancements, 3D printing is being used in various industries, including aerospace, automotive, healthcare, and construction, to produce complex and customized parts efficiently. Future potential. The technology holds the promise of reducing waste, lowering production costs, and enabling rapid prototyping and mass customization. Reasons to consider. Investing in 3D printing technologies can lead to significant economic benefits and innovations across multiple industries. Stocks to watch: Stratasys Limited, NASDAQ SSYS, a leader in 3D printing solutions. 3D Systems Corporation, NYSE DDD, pioneering 3D printing technologies for various applications. HP Inc., NYSE HPQ, expanding its 3D printing portfolio. Segment 2, Nanotechnology definition. Nanotechnology involves manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular scale to create materials with unique properties. Current advancements. Nanotechnology is being used to develop stronger and lighter materials, improve energy storage, and create advanced medical treatments. Future potential. The technology could lead to breakthroughs in electronics, medicine, energy, and environmental sustainability. Reasons to consider. Investing in nanotechnology can drive significant advancements in materials science and open new possibilities in various fields. Stocks to watch. Thermo Fisher Scientific, NYSE, TMO, involved in nanotechnology research and development. IBM, NYSE, IBM, developing nanotechnology applications in electronics and computing. Intel Corporation, NASDAQ, INTC, innovating with nanotechnology in semiconductor manufacturing. Expert interviews, insights from leading experts and industry leaders on the latest developments and future potential of 3D printing and nanotechnology. Visuals and demonstrations. Use animations, graphics, and real-life footage to illustrate how these technologies work and their real-world applications. Conclusion. These technologies are driving a new era of innovation in manufacturing and construction. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore more groundbreaking technologies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.